In this video, I'm going to explain the advantages of banking BPO and its services. This video is brought to you by Atlas Relco in India. The last decade and a half have been a tough ride for the banking industry. Starting from the global economic crisis in 2007, it has been a struggle for the banking sector to get back on track, especially given the changing technology landscape. Other factors such as regulatory frameworks and market pressures are demanding the banking industry to evolve quickly and dramatically. Given the current state of the industry, many leaders in the banking sector are realizing the need to borrow new ideas from the outside, be it from the business analysts, employees, or their partners. Outsourcing has emerged as one of the most promising ideas. So, what is the need of the hour? It is business process outsourcing. Traditionally, senior level leaders in the banking industry have not shown readiness towards having a frank conversation about the challenges and objectives of the industry. But now they are showing willingness and eagerness to engage in discussions with those who can assist them to bring their operations back into a successful state. They are open to sharing insights and collaborating with the service providers to find the best solutions that will help them deal with the changing banking environment. As a result of this shift in approach, BPO service providers are being offered several substantial opportunities. By capitalizing on these opportunities, offshoring BPOs can position themselves not just as a third-party service providers, but as actual partners and collaborators for the banks. So what are the advantages being offered by the banking BPO services? There are several advantages that BPO services are bringing to the banking industry. BPO services are aiding banks to elevate their customer satisfaction by making the most social media and online customer testimonial. Outsourcing service providers are helping the industry to reduce time to market, enabling them to make the product accessible at a quicker pace. Outsourcing service providers are also helping the banking industry to earn more revenue by opening up more robust cross-sell opportunities during the client interactions. Customer interaction is one of the biggest trends of BPO-operated contact centers and call centers. Imagine you are a customer who contacted your bank to find out about the newly launched service or a scheme, but depending upon the quality of your interaction, you will either proceed with this service or contact their competitors. Banks are realizing that the quality of conversation with inquiry handling directly impacts the customer relationships and therefore the revenue. So offshoring services are also helping the banks with customer retention online. BPO service providers are making the reach of social media to give banks more effective tools to get user responses and messages. Customer feedback and involvement makes it easier for banks to identify and eliminate the pain points. So what are the core banking solutions being outsourced? Some core banking solutions are being outsourced to BPO operated contact centers or call centers. Let's discuss it now. The very first one is retail banking operations. This includes pretty much all the basic banking operations that involve heavy customer interactions. Banks are outsourcing retail operations through a contact center or call center operated by bank service provider or via bank controlled captive centers. There are a number of services covered under the retail banking operations such as customer acquisition, bill payment, contact center services, account management, regulatory control, management services, and risk management services. The other services included by the bank BPOs are mortgage related operations. Prominent mortgage related services being undertaken by these BPO companies are origination services, closure services, underwriting services, and reverse mortgage services. The another important solutions given by these bank BPOs are payment methods and cards. Globally, plastic money is becoming the most preferred payment method. As a result, card businesses are encountering greater challenges. There are several services under this category that are being undertaken by the care of offshoring services providers. Some of these services include tackling customer inquiries about card, coming up with promotional offers, ensuring data security, maintaining customer privacy, and finally the establishing high-speed transactions. So what is the takeaway? BPO service providers are exceptional at recognizing and understanding the challenges that banks are facing in the current digital landscape. By identifying the pain points of banking businesses and developing solutions and services that are specially catered towards elevating those pain points. Outsourcing service providers are providing themselves as a valuable partners and collaborators of banking organizations. With the assistance and support of BPO service providers, banks are better managing risk and achieving improved customer satisfaction. Now, when it comes to selecting your BPO company, I recommend considering Atlas Relco in Goa, India. The company gives innovative solutions in BPO industry. They hold the depth knowledge of BPO industry with an excellent track record of outsourcing solutions. If you want to watch more videos about outsourcing and offshoring, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.